Hello everyone, this week we have moved to a new chapter, and in this video we are going to focus mainly on matter and diffusion. For matter, you have to remember the three things: atom, molecule and ion. So for atom, I believe you guys might have seen logo like this online. So remember atom, it is said to be the smallest particle in the world. While for molecule is made up of two or more atoms. So for example, you can have a circle atom, you can have a square atom. As long as you combine the atom together with two or three or more atoms together, they are known as the molecule. The next one is your ion. So for ion, it is mainly for positively and negatively charged particle, which I will go into details in the next few videos. Alright, to go into details, for matter, it is categorized as element and compound. So for element, it consists only one type of atom. Okay, an element can be atom or molecule. At here, I have a circle, a square, and a triangle atom. When they become a molecule under element, they contain only the same type of elements, which means the circle and circle together, square and the square together, and triangle together. So they contain more than one atoms and only the same type. As for compound, it can have two or more elements, and it is categorized as your molecule or ion. For molecule here, as we said, it can contain two or more types. So we can use a circle with a triangle together, or triangle with a square, or a square with a circle. And as for ion, it will be the positively and negatively charged. We'll move to this thing called diffusion. It is defined as substance moving from a higher concentration to a lower concentration region. What does it mean? It means when your mom is cooking curry in the kitchen, when you're in your room, after a while, you can smell the curry in your room. So this is called diffusion. And diffusion, it depends on only two factors: the mass of the object as well as temperature. So at here, I will go into an example. Imagine there is a test tube and I use an ammonia on the left side. Ammonia has a mass of 17 grams per mole. So this one we will speak into details in Chapter 4. As on the right side, I'll put a HCl liquid. So you can see HCl is double the mass of ammonia, which means whenever ammonia moves 2 steps, your HCl can only manage to move 1 step. So every time ammonia moves 2 steps, HCl move 1 step, and they will eventually meet up at this point. And reaction happens there, they become the ammonium chloride. It's a white particle. Alright, this color thing we will learn later on in a later chapter. Okay, so I have a question now. Knowing this ammonia is moving double the speed of a HCl, what happened when I increase the temperature? Will the ammonium chloride, the white particle, form at point A, B, C, or D? Let's take a few minutes for you to think through before progressing. So the answer is actually C, the same position. Why? Let's look into details. So at here, when temperature increases, when your ammonia moves 2 steps, your HCl also move 1 step. So eventually, it's still the same. Every time ammonia moves 2 steps, HCl move 1 step, and they will end up at point C, the same position. It is just at this time, it will take a shorter duration to form ammonium chloride. So you have to remember, for diffusion, when temperature increases, it only shortens the duration for the compound to diffuse. So it will not change position at all. Remember this one as they will ask in the exam. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. If you are interested to understand the main points and even highlights for each of the chapter, feel free to subscribe for more videos. At the same time, you can follow me on this platform to get my free notes and reach out for online lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.